On this episode, we visit Black Rock Mountain in Rabun County, Georgia, right here on Eat, Explore, and More. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload a new video. Alright guys, we are here at Black Rock Mountain State Park in Rabun County, Georgia. We are going to hike the Tennessee Rock Trail. It's a loop trail that is 2.2 miles. And hopefully make it to the overlook area and view the beautiful mountains.
Yep, so again, this is a moderate trail, so we're not too worried about not doing the whole trail on this video. But we hope to get some nice shots, and we hope that you enjoy this video. So I just got these shorts. I got them specifically for hiking. First day wearing them, and they ripped on me. In the front. Really?
Alright guys, we made it to the top. We are currently at the Tennessee Rock Overlook. It is 3,625 feet in elevation. It was quite a hike. Some parts were pretty easy, but it is pretty hot out here even though it's shaded. So still make sure you bring plenty of water and take your time and enjoy the hike.
So, yep, that's it for this video. Oh, and one thing we forgot to mention, you can see parts of Tennessee, I believe North Carolina, and of course all of Georgia up here. There's another state that we're missing, but from here you can see different states up here. Again, really good hike. If you like this video, consider giving us a like. Please share with anyone you know who may be interested in hiking adventures like this one. Again, like, subscribe, comment. You guys are awesome.
Bye. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.